Hey, Noah from American Trucks here, and in front of me I have Raxium's Axial Series LED taillights with black housings and smoked lenses for the 2015 to 2017 F-150 with factory halogen taillights. If you're looking for the darkest, stealthiest look for your F-150, now these taillights will be the perfect fit for you. To clarify, these will fit applications with factory halogen taillights only. These taillights are designed to give your truck the stealthy look you've been craving while still providing an upgraded LED and increased brightness over the factory halogen tails. Now these taillights have a black housing for a dark base inside the lens, and then to seal those super bright LEDs off, we have a smoked lens itself. Now the smoked lens has that solid, non-see-through look that will blend in right with a darker paint color or really stand out in contrast with a lighter paint. Either way, they fit the dark profile that you're looking for in a set of upgraded taillights. Now the turn signal, running lights, and brake lights all pierce through that smoked lens bright red, and then the reverse light is white. The black housings are manufactured from an OEM grade ABS plastic, and the LEDs inside them are covered by a very strong polycarbonate lens that is weather sealed, so your taillights are protected against any moisture or debris. Coming in at $300, these taillights are a great choice if you're hunting for that stealthy look for your F-150, but don't have a large budget to spend on a pricier set. Even at the low end of the price range here, these taillights don't skimp out on build quality or construction materials. You really can't lose with upgrading to a set of LED taillights. Installing these taillights on your F-150 is an incredibly simple job that can be accomplished with minimal hand tools and no busted knuckles. And we are looking at an install difficulty right at 1 out of 3 wrenches and about 45 minutes for the time it will take you. Now without further ado, let's take a more in-depth look at the install process over in our shop.
For this install, we're going to be using either an adjustable wrench or pliers, Phillips head screwdriver, 3/8 ratchet, 8mm socket, and a cordless ratchet if you have it. Alrighty folks, today I'm going to be showing you how to install a set of taillights on your F-150. Very simple, so let's get started. Our first step will be to remove these two 8mm bolts using our 8mm socket with either your ratchet or cordless ratchet, whichever you have. Now we're going to pull the taillight out, removing it from its set face. Okay. Next, you want to remove your electrical connectors for your bulbs. Out comes your taillight. This is the same process for the driver's side, so just repeat the first couple steps here on your driver's side. Now before installing these, we will be adding these resistor brackets for the resistors on the taillights to clip into the backside of the truck. Take your supplied bracket, line it up with the resistor, with the holes, and using your supplied hardware, unscrew a nut for each side. To tighten these down, we're going to need a Phillips head, and the instructions say pliers, but if you have an adjustable wrench handy, that is a better option. All right. Next, we will install our resistor and resistor bracket in this recess here using the supplied clips. Make sure your resistor is facing away from the inside of the truck. Next, we will plug our lights back in. Remember to use the same color connectors to the same corresponding lights. Okay. Next, you want to set your taillight back in, aligning it with the factory set points. And give it a firm push to set it back into place. And finally, you want to reinstall your two 8mm bolts. Give them a double check. And repeat that process for the driver's side. And that'll do it for our review and install of our Raxium Axial Series LED taillights with the black housing and smoked lenses for your 15 to 17 F-150 with factory halogen taillights. Thank you for watching, and for all things F-150, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.